In this video we will repair the error which I had on my extruder on the QIDI X-MAX. So I asked here Linda from the sales service what I may do. The machine actually says that there's an extruder sensor error. So she said I should go to the printer and replace the extruder by the all metal hot end or this high temperature extruder, then connect it and check the under the tools, the heating, the preheating, and if this runs the same, then the connected cable here has a problem. So either it's the problem with this message is either the contact in on the extruder itself or something in the board. So to check this should be that we go here to the preheating. Then we have here our temperature, and now the temperature normally here this is for ABS. The temperature does not really go above 100. So this happens when you go on here on this case and noddle a little bit around there, shake it a little, then the temperature will speed up. To show the error, first I will do now the following. I will start the temperature, and you will see that the temperature will not really go up, and we wait there. As you see, the temperature goes up and makes no problem, but when I go to the case, or if I now they see what happens when you do something on the mounting. The temperature says okay, it's about 1000 degrees, so it seems to be something with the mounting or the connector. It's quite easy to find out. I stop that one. Working with this one, to replace it we have this toolkit, and inside the toolkit there's a small box, and therefore we need these two. The small one is for the top, and this one is for the screws on the bottom. Now watch that cable. Now it's either on the cable. Now I took out those two screws. Video was not running at the moment. Now I take this out. Seems to be okay. And we replace it now with the hot end about above 250 degrees. Simply go in. There's a 0.4 nozzle. The fan to the front. Connect that cable. Now we take those two screws again. Maybe this one has a problem. Then we take the cover. So we start it again. Now we go to the tools, to the preheating. We start that stuff. And now I'm do something here on the cable and shake this a little bit. Temperature seems to be okay, stable the same. So we have now a problem. It seems that we have a problem here with our cable, with the connector. Somewhere in the connector should be a problem. and I will ask Linda what the problem might be. The problem is not solved, as you see. Again, the second error comes with the other head. The problem seems to be that the cable itself here, the cable has a problem, so it might be possible to connect the cable, to fix the cable on there. Now you see, as the temperature jumps, as long as you do something on the header. So the best way would be to fix the cable, either that way or the other way. So by pressing it against. So I replaced now this stuff with a fixed tape, so it's not going around the edge now. And I removed the cover, because the cover always puts the cable here around the corner, and when you use a big printer and have those long runs from the top side, from the left top corner to the right one, then the cable always got this edge, and maybe this causes problem on that cable. Now when you try to run it without the cover case, then the problem will happen that as soon as you try to print something, because it's not on this position, so it needs the cover case. Now I formed this edge, this holder, a little bit to that side by a hot fan, so as soon as it gets a little bit hot, you may be able to displace it or change it so that the cable is not squeezed around the edge. Now when I start it again, now we go to printing, go to our print. Now it runs again.